Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will explore the fascinating field of industrial and organizational psychology, delving into its nature and scope. Industrial and organizational psychology, also known as IO psychology, is a specialized branch of psychology that focuses on understanding and improving human behavior in the workplace. So, let's dive into the details and gain a deeper understanding of the nature and scope of industrial and organizational psychology. The nature and scope of industrial and organizational psychology. Understanding workplace behavior. Section 1. Introduction to industrial and organizational psychology. Let's begin by understanding the fundamental nature of industrial and organizational psychology. It is an interdisciplinary field that applies psychological principles and theories to the workplace. Industrial and organizational psychologists study various aspects of work behavior, such as employee selection, motivation, job satisfaction, leadership, organizational culture, and work-life balance. Section 2. Industrial psychology. Industrial psychology, the first component of industrial and organizational psychology, focuses on the individual level within the workplace. It examines how individuals interact with their work environment, including factors such as employee selection, training and development, performance appraisal, and job satisfaction. Subsection 2.1. Employee selection and placement. Industrial psychologists play a vital role in helping organizations select the right individuals for specific job roles. They develop assessment tools and techniques to evaluate candidates' knowledge, skills, and abilities, ensuring a good fit between the individual and the job requirements. Subsection 2.2. Training and development. Industrial psychologists also design and implement training programs to enhance employee skills, knowledge, and performance. They identify training needs, develop training materials, and assess the effectiveness of training interventions to improve individual and organizational performance. Subsection 2.3. Performance appraisal. Performance appraisal is another crucial aspect of industrial psychology. Industrial psychologists develop performance evaluation systems and methods to assess employees' job performance, provide feedback, and identify areas for improvement. They help organizations establish fair and effective performance management processes. Section 3. Organizational psychology. Moving on to organizational psychology, the second component of industrial and organizational psychology, it focuses on the broader organizational level. Organizational psychologists examine the dynamics of groups, leadership styles, organizational structure, and overall organizational functioning. Subsection 3.1. Organizational culture and climate. Organizational psychologists study the culture and climate within organizations. They investigate the values, norms, and beliefs that shape organizational behavior and impact employee satisfaction, engagement, and performance. They also assess the overall work environment to ensure it supports employee well-being and organizational goals. Subsection 3.2. Leadership and management. Leadership and management are key areas of focus for organizational psychologists. They study different leadership styles, qualities, and behaviors to understand their impact on employee motivation, team effectiveness, and organizational success. Organizational psychologists provide insights and recommendations to develop effective leaders and managers. Subsection 3.3. Organizational development and change. Organizational psychologists assist organizations in managing change and facilitating organizational development. They analyze current systems and structures, identify areas for improvement, and implement strategies to enhance organizational effectiveness. They also play a crucial role in managing the psychological impact of organizational change on employees. Section 4. Scope and application. Now that we understand the nature of industrial and organizational psychology, let's explore its scope and application in the real world. Subsection 4.1. Workplace assessment and intervention. Industrial and organizational psychologists conduct workplace assessments to evaluate employee attitudes, job satisfaction, work-life balance, and organizational climate. Based on their findings, they develop interventions to improve work conditions, enhance employee well-being, and promote organizational effectiveness. Subsection 4.2. Human resource management. Industrial and organizational psychologists contribute to human resource management practices. They assist in recruitment, selection, and placement processes, develop performance management systems, provide guidance on training and development programs, and offer expertise in employee motivation and engagement. Subsection 4.3. Consulting and organizational strategy. Industrial and organizational psychologists often work as consultants, providing expertise to organizations on a wide range of issues. They assist in organizational strategy development, change management initiatives, leadership development programs, and organizational culture transformation. Section 5. Research and data analysis. Research and data analysis play a crucial role in industrial and organizational psychology. Subsection 5.1. Research methods. Industrial and organizational psychologists employ various research methods, such as surveys, experiments, observations, and interviews. These methods allow them to gather data, analyze trends, and make evidence-based recommendations for organizational improvement. Subsection 5.2. Data analysis techniques. Industrial and organizational psychologists utilize advanced statistical techniques to analyze data and draw meaningful insights. They conduct statistical analyses to identify patterns, relationships, and correlations, enabling them to make informed decisions and develop effective interventions. Section 6. Future trends and challenges. As we look to the future, industrial and organizational psychology faces evolving trends and challenges. Subsection 6.1. Technological advancements. The advent of technology brings new opportunities and challenges for industrial and organizational psychology. It requires professionals to adapt to remote work, virtual collaboration, and the integration of artificial intelligence in employee selection and performance management. Subsection 6.2. Diversity, equity, and inclusion. Another significant trend is the focus on diversity, equity, and inclusion in the workplace. Industrial and organizational psychologists are working to create inclusive environments, address biases in selection and evaluation processes, and promote equal opportunities for all individuals within organizations. In conclusion, industrial and organizational psychology encompasses a wide range of topics and applications, focusing on both individual and organizational levels. It offers valuable insights and interventions to enhance employee well-being, organizational effectiveness, and overall workplace dynamics. Thank you for joining us in exploring the nature and scope of industrial and organizational psychology, and we'll see you in the next video.